Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you a full guide on how to scale your Gumroad store in 2026. Yeah, if you're already making some sales and want to grow faster, this strategy will help you increase revenue consistently because, honestly, scaling isn't just about getting more traffic. It's about optimizing everything in your funnel. So first, focus on your best-selling products. Check your analytics and identify which products are already performing well, then improve them with better descriptions, updated content, and higher perceived value because scaling what already works is always easier. Next, increase your traffic sources. Yeah, don't rely on just one platform. Use YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, or email marketing to bring in more potential buyers and focus on platforms where your audience is most active. After that, optimize your product pages, improve your thumbnails, titles, and descriptions to make them more attractive and clear because better presentation can significantly increase your conversion rate without needing more traffic. Also, use bundles and upsells. Yeah, combining products into bundles or offering additional items at checkout can increase your average order value and boost overall revenue. And yeah, build an audience. So creating content regularly and growing a loyal following helps you generate consistent sales instead of depending only on one-time buyers. Finally, automate and reinvest. Most of the time, using tools, email sequences, and reinvesting profits into ads or content helps you scale faster and build a long-term business. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.